Good morning, everyone. This is Trader Cisco. It is Monday, July 5th. I thought there was an interesting lesson to be had on the Euro Pound chart from Thursday and Friday of last week. I thought it would be worthwhile to just take a look at to kind of see what the market can do. If you'll notice, again, we're looking at a 4-hour chart. We're going to draw a Fibonacci from the high that we had, I think it was June 22nd, yes, down to a low that we had on the 29th of June. We set up what our Fibonacci levels are, and then if we go to the 1-hour chart now, once that we have that drawn, you can see it a little clearer on the 1-hour chart exactly what occurred. We start out by noticing that the 618 level was respected, obviously, right through here. That the market pushed up to that level and then fell off of that, making a flag. What's interesting to note is when this stalled, it really wasn't a stop of the upward move, but it was a delay, if you will, in that movement. I posted about this on Friday, though I didn't have any desire to trade on Friday. I did comment on this very issue, that usually the trend is still in place until it is broken. Well, what occurred was the 618 stalled this level, as we see here. And what's really interesting to note is that it came back exactly to the 50 or the 50 back, and that is where the real move started. Now the 50 back was at 82.17. This first 1-hour candle had a low of 82.17 exactly. The second candle also had the same low of 82.17. So what we have here, it was really two separate opportunities to enter this trade to go long. Now both of these show you and give you the establish the play that is in place, that the trend was going to continue in an upward movement. You'll notice that these are not the only two times that it hit, but actually we had an additional opportunity here to trade this long from the 50 to the 618. Now this one hit a low of 82.16. So three times this pair came back to the 50 back, and within a pip or no pips at all to the 50 back level, it responded by bouncing and giving us a very successful setup. What's also interesting to note is that once the 618 was broken through, which was the 82.52 level, now watch what occurs. It breaks through, it comes back to retest the level. Now this one did not quite make it to 82.52, as the low on it was 82.53. This entry here was also 82.53, but alas, this one hit 82.51. So even if you're waiting for the exact retracement to the Fibonacci level, you did receive it here. If you would have had an a 20 pip stop, and you would have gone in at 82.52, you see currently we're at 82.89. Again, another very nice trade. So I just thought it'd be something worth looking at. I hope you enjoy that analysis of the Euro Pound and how the Fibonacci's play very well for trade setups. Have a great day.